Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you the new update YouTube just released, making it super quick and easy to loop any single video on the mobile app. This replaces the old process in which you'd have to make a playlist and loop through that way. And after we look at that, I'll also show you how to loop any video on the desktop YouTube site as well. To do this, just start playing any video on YouTube that you want to loop. Tap the video to get the on-screen options and then choose the three dots on the top right. In here, you now have the option to loop video. Choose that and it'll enable the loop feature for that video. Now if we scroll to the end and continue playing, we'll see that the video automatically loops. And if you want to turn loop off, just tap the three dots again and choose loop video to turn it off. Now we'll jump over to the desktop website and I'll show you real fast how to loop there. Again, start the video that you want to loop and then right click anywhere inside of the video and you can choose loop. The video will then be in loop playback, and to turn it back off, right click and choose loop again. And that's how you can now easily loop single videos on YouTube. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.